The land of Sumatra, often source of life, was recently struck by devastating floods. It was a stark and sudden reminder of nature's sheer, undeniable power. We saw entire communities submerged, lives upended in a matter of hours. The damage goes beyond infrastructure. It is an attack on the sense of home, security, and stability. But in the darkest moments, humanity shines brightest. When the water rose, so did the spirit of the volunteers. These are the face of courage. They are teachers, students, small business owners, ordinary people performing extraordinary acts. They are the true first responders, risking their own safety to save their neighbors and their community. From the perspective of diplomacy, our most important task is to support and amplify these grassroots efforts. They are the lifeline, and they deserve our complete respect and our fastest possible aid. The hard work of recovery has now begun. It is messy, difficult work driven by pure human will. Every shovel of mud cleared, every tent raised is a step towards normalcy. Every volunteer, every aid worker, and every citizen on the ground, we see your effort, we recognize your sacrifice. We are fully committed to mobilizing the resources needed to sustain your incredible work in the long term.